All right, my fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be going over November's dividends. Remember guys, if you guys are new to the channel, in this channel what we talk about is money, how to go out there and get it, and most importantly, how to go out there and invest it, all right, to create financial freedom for yourselves and your families, okay? So let's go ahead and start with November's dividends. So this is my Robinhood portfolio here. So starting off the list with Verizon, so $7.32 coming out Verizon. Next dividend here is AT&T and so forth. All right guys, so I believe we received a total of 20 dividends for the month of November. So that's one of my lowest yielding months to date. All right. You can see here the dividends are getting a little bit larger. Whoa, I'm going to stop there, guys, because I don't want to go into December. December is going to be a very great month for dividends. It's going to be high yielding returns. All right, so I'll go ahead and share that in the next video for December's dividends. You guys can see here just a little snapshot of Intel. Going to be getting me $14.11 in dividends. All right, guys, remember, guys, consistency in investing. That's going to be the ultimate vehicle to create you financial freedom and wealth over time that eventually could turn into generational wealth for yourselves, but for your future generations as well. All right, so if you guys like this content, go ahead and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm that we could share our information with as many investors as possible to help me expand my channel so we could reach as many investors as possible, help them and yourselves create financial freedom, all right, so that you never have to worry about money again. Create enough passive income so that you can go out there, buy anything you want on a consistent basis and never have to worry about your expenses or anything like that. All right, guys, catch you on the next video.